Let's read some networker trains. The networker is a family of multiple unit passenger trains which operate on the British railway system. They were built in the late 1980s and early 1990s by British Rail Engineering Limited and Metro Cammell. The trains were built for the Network South East sector of British Rail, which is where their name comes from.
The British Rail Class 165 Networker Turbo is a fleet of suburban diesel hydraulic multiple-unit passenger trains, originally specified by and built for the British Rail Thames and Chiltern Division of Network South East. They were built by Brill York Works between 1990 and 1992.
The British Rail Class 166 Networker Turbo is a fleet of diesel hydraulic multiple-unit passenger trains, built by Abe Transportation at their Holgate Road works in York between 1992 and 1993. They were specified by and built for British Rail, the state-owned railway operator in Great Britain at the time.
Class 316 and Class 457 were TOPS classifications assigned to a single electric multiple unit (EMU) at different stages of its use as a prototype for the Networker series.
Class 341 and Class 342 were proposed electric multiple unit classes from the Networker series, to be introduced in the late 1990s. The trains were planned to run on the Channel Tunnel Rail Link and Crossrail projects. Both projects were halted in the early 1990s, following the early 1990s recession.
The British Rail Class 365 Networker Express dual-voltage electric multiple-unit passenger trains were built by Abe at Holgate Road Carriage Works in 1994 and 1995. The Class 365 was derived from the Class 465 EMU after the planned Universal Networker. Classes 371 and 381 were not funded through to production.
Class 371, Class 381 and Class 471 were proposed electric multiple-unit classes from the Networker family of trains intended to operate long-distance services in the southeast of England.
The British Rail Class 316 was a proposed type of electric multiple-unit intended for use on planned urban rail services in Greater Manchester.
The British Rail Class 465 Networker are electric multiple-unit passenger trains that were built by Metro Cammell, British Rail Engineering Limited and Abe Rail between 1991 and 1994. Originally operated by Network South East, these units are now operated by Southeastern.
The British Rail Class 466 Networker are electric multiple-unit passenger trains that were built by Metro Cammell between 1993 and 1994. The units are currently operated by Southeastern.